Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Unread on your Slack sidebar. So as you can see here, I have directions, draft, and send huddles and threads. If I want to add, for example, Unread, it is super easy to do. To do that, click your account on the lower left hand side, then click on preferences, and then you want to go to home. And in this section, you'll find the option always show in the sidebar, and you can just check the box where it says unread. And if I close out, you can see I know of unread there, and it's going to show me all of the unread messages across my Slack channels, across my account where I'm a part of. So this is how you can easily go ahead and enable that. And if you want to take off something or remove something at any point in time, you can always do that as well. Go back to your account on the lower left hand side, then the preferences, and then you can go to home and choose whatever you want to add or remove from this section. Really up to you guys.